All right, guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center in North Range Academy. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you more about fractions on Lesson 20, Session 3. Refine ideas about what a fraction is. Let's apply it. All right, number one, create. The part shown is 1/6 of a rectangle. Draw a model to show what the whole rectangle might look like. All right, let's get my pencil. All right, so this is 1/6 of a triangle. All right, they're only giving you one square. All right, draw a model to show what the whole rectangle might look like. All right, well, if this was the one part here. Now we need to draw the whole part. So let's draw all the parts, which are 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's draw 6 squares. All right, number 2. Look at these squares. Each is divided into equal parts. Are they divided into equal parts? Let's look. It looks like they're all equal. All right, let's look at this one. Looks like they're all equal and all equal in size. Good. All right, Lynn says each square has the same fraction shaded. Rose says each square has a different fraction shaded. Explain who is correct. Well, let's see. Lynn says each square has the same fraction shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4 with a fraction shaded. So that would be 1/4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 with one fraction shaded. That would be 1/4, and they're all equal parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4 with one fraction shaded. All right, it looks like Lynn is correct. Possible explanation: each square is the same size, yes, and is divided into 4 equal parts, yes. One of the 4 parts is shaded, yes. So each square has 1/4 shaded. Very good. All right, number 3. Look at these triangles. Each is divided into equal parts. What is the same about the fraction of each model that is shaded? Well, the fractions are each 1/2. Is that correct? You have 2 parts and one is shaded. You have 2 parts and one is shaded. So 1/2 and 1/2, because each is divided into 2 equal parts and has 1 part shaded. What is the difference? What is different about the fraction of each model that is shaded? Possible answer: the holes are different sizes. All right, yep, they're different sizes here and here. So the amounts shown by 1/2 are different. So these are still 1/2 and 1/2, but the amounts of the sizes are different. All right, they're similar, but not the same, not the same size. All right. Erase this. All right, let's look at the next page. That was 467. We'll look at 468. All right, use what you've learned to complete problem 4. Adam has 1/3 of a pizza, Hillary has 2/6 of a pizza, and John has 3/8 of a pizza. All right, part A, show the number of equal parts in each pizza, then shade each pizza to show the fraction each person has. God, with all these pizzas, I'm starting to get really hungry. So let's look at Adams. All right, so let's shade in 1/3. Adam has 1/3. So let's put our lines here. Okay, and then shade this part in. So 1, 2, 3. 3 whole and 1 part of that 3. All right, let's go on to Hillary, 2 6. We're going to make 6 rectangles. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Check. And we're going to shade in this part and this part. All right, shade it all in. And 2 of the 6 are shaded in or described or used. All right, let's look at John. Has 8 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 whole parts. All right, and it says 3 of those parts will be shaded in. I'm just going to put an X, but you can shade in the whole thing. All right, let's look at B. Circle one of the pizzas. Explain how you knew how many equal parts to show and how many parts to shade. Well, I looked at the denominator to know how many equal parts to divide the pizza into. Then I looked at the numerator to know how many parts to shade. How many parts to shade? Sorry, that's my dog, Louie. Y'all want to see Louie? There's Louie. Yes. Okay. All right. Now that he's gotten some attention, let's get back to it. All right. So let's take Adam, for instance. All right. We took the denominator and divided into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And we shaded in by the numerator one of those parts to get 1/3. All right, let's look at number 5, math journal. Mike has a circle divided into equal parts. One part is shaded and the other 3 parts are not. Mike says his circle shows the fraction 1/3. Is he correct? Okay, so draw a picture to help you explain. Mike is incorrect. He is incorrect. Why? The circle shows 4 parts, not 3, because 1 is shaded and there are 4 parts. So we shaded this one, but there are 4 parts that make up the whole, not 3. So instead of being 1/3, Mike is incorrect in showing a 1/4. Mike used the number of unshaded parts as the denominator when he should have used the total number of parts. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to get going because Louie's getting a little restless. All right, so guys, I'll see you on the next video.